Ever wonder what a ticking time bomb looks like in a business? It's not always a huge financial crisis or a sudden market crash. Sometimes it's something as simple as a poorly filled out record. That's right, one bad entry can be enough to invalidate an entire system, and I'm going to show you how. Let's talk about a common but dangerous practice: automatic or retroactive filling of data. We've all been there. You're busy, you forget to log something, and you think, I'll just fill it in later. Or maybe you use a system that auto-populates fields to save time. Sounds efficient, right? Wrong. This is a huge problem. When you backfill data, you're essentially guessing. You lose traceability. You can't prove when or how that data was actually collected. It creates a domino effect of unreliable information. Imagine a manufacturing plant where quality checks are crucial. A technician is supposed to measure temperature, pressure, and humidity every hour. But to save time, they just copy and paste the same timestamp for all 3 different measurements. On paper, it looks like everything was done at once. But in reality, it's physically impossible. This isn't just lazy, it's creating a completely unrealistic picture of the process. If a product fails later and an investigation happens, those records are useless. They show a process that never actually occurred. The consequences go far beyond just bad data. We're talking about serious legal and regulatory risks. In many industries like pharmaceuticals, food safety, or aviation, records aren't just for internal use. They are legal documents. They are the proof that you followed mandatory safety protocols and quality standards. If an auditor or a regulator sees inconsistencies, like the same time logged for different actions, red flags go up immediately. Your entire quality control system can be called into question. This can lead to hefty fines, loss of certifications, product recalls, and even legal action. Your reputation, which took years to build, can be shattered in an instant. So what's the takeaway here? Your record is not just a piece of paper or a line in a spreadsheet. It is your proof of real control. It's the tangible evidence that you are doing what you say you are doing. Every entry must reflect a real action, at a real time. There are no shortcuts when it comes to integrity and safety. Accurate, contemporaneous recording isn't just best practice, it's your best defense. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about building robust and compliant systems, make sure to follow our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with this in the comments below. Have you ever seen the consequences of bad record keeping firsthand? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.